real train, isn't it? Oh, dear, the bridge. Wait a minute. I've got it. If I can get that steel rig under the bridge, maybe it will hold while the train gets across. It's worth a try.
And don't waste time cutting me free. Take me with you.
You'll take that risk, Tinker?
Of course I will. It's only rubbish.
Top Hat's idea was to try and prop up the bridge if he could get the steel rig into place before the train got there. It was signaled through, so there was no way anybody could stop it. The bridge was weakened by the accident. Top Hat could only hope his idea would work. There was no way of warning the train.
That was lucky.
Well done, Top Hat. You saved the...
Oh, look out! Oh, this is terrible! Oh, no! I know that whistle! It's the goods train. It's impossible!
No, it's not. Push me under that rail, quick!
What? Oh, yes, I see! I get the idea! Right! If this doesn't work, you'll be in danger yourself, Stinger!
I know. Don't remind me. Just get me under the end of that rail!
Genius, nothing less.
Took some brain to save that train.
Oh, I see.
I'll never complain about your smell again.
Rubbish can be valuable stuff.